2017 BMW X3 with the 2-liter turbo engine. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To do this, put the vehicle into the on position by pressing the start button without your foot touching the brake. In the on position, reach down here and move this little piggy guy out of the way, and behind him is a little button. I know that might be hard to see because of the lighting in here, but just trust me, it's there. Go ahead and hold that button down until your vehicle comms menu pops up. All right. So we have our brake fluid. Press through here to our engine oil reset possible. At engine oil, go ahead and press and hold this button again. Reset, release, and then press and hold again. Hold while it finishes its countdown, and your engine oil life has been reset. If you'd like to see another video on one of these vehicles, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.